This circuit I created is based on the idea of making it easier to keep track of one's water intake. With the use of these three LED lights, the user will be aware of how much water intake they've had throughout the day. As you can see, this circuit includes 4 JK flip-flops, 3 AND gates that are connected to an OR gate, and 2 buttons, as well as the use of a 7-segment display. This button on the far left is used to begin the count of each cup that the user has had throughout the day. This button down here will reset the whole circuit. This first LED light will light up green whenever the water intake count is 1 through 3. This middle LED light will light up whenever the count is between 4 to 7 cups. And this third LED light will light up green once the user has had 8 cups of water. This button will act as the clock for this first JK flip-flop. Then the Q next state for the first flip-flop will act as the clock for the second JK. This will continue on for the next 2 JK flip-flops. As you can see, when the button has not been pressed, none of the LED lights are on. Now when you press the first time, it will light up red due to the value of this JK flip-flop being 1 and the Q next state of the second flip-flop being 1. It will trigger the first LED light. Then for the second click, it will remain red. Now for the third click, it will still remain red. The red lighting will let the user know that they have not reached their goal. The fourth click will activate the second LED light, which is yellow. This will notify the user. This will let the user be aware that they are slowly getting closer to their goal. The fifth click continues to have the yellow light on. As you can see, one problem in this circuit is that the red light will actually turn on because the first 2 JK flip-flops are keeping this AND gate to be true. That is one problem in this circuit. The following click will continue to have the yellow light on, as well as the next one. As soon as the user reaches 8, the green LED light will turn on to let the user know that they have achieved their goal. As you can see, the 7-segment display is also on. Now this system was meant to only keep count for the first 8. Was to keep count up until 8. However, this is the second problem in this circuit, which circuit will continue to keep count as you continue to click the button, to press the button. So you can see the yellow light still on, and before that the red light was also on. Here we see the red light turn on again. And as soon as all the JK flip-flops are on, the next click will reset the system. Now this button can also be used as a reset as soon as the count reaches 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now at this moment the user will know that they have completed their goal. Therefore they can reset the circuit to bring it back to 0. And this way the circuit can be used once more the next day.